Like we heading to Taco Bell for that taco smell. Send their stomach straight to taco hell. Both orders dropped off. Total time 29 minutes. Oh my God. Both of those orders was no tip. Oh my God. They just
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
Doordash, earned by time. First order. Looks like we going to McDonald's, guys. Let's go ahead and accept that. McDonald's is right here too, so it's perfect. Now it say estimated time 25 minutes. Earned by offer has not been working for me at all. I've been making like 50 bucks for every 4 hours that I go out. I guess I'm just gonna be experiencing long wait times no matter what. So you know what? We doing Doordash earned by time today. We got our first order. We at McDonald's right now. It said that we got 4-mile delivery distance, estimated time of 25 minutes on this order. I should have got a screenshot of it, to be honest with you. But let's go ahead and check in. We at McDonald's. Let's see. They got a 40-piece nugget with 2 large fries. That is crazy. That is crazy. It is not looking good for any prospects of a tip on this order, because anytime you see somebody order a 40-piece nugget and 2 fries, that's all they had. And that's all they was willing to give and spend. And with the delivery fees on DoorDash, look, you better off trying out some earned by time, because that's your only way to get a high base pay dealing with these customers. Look, we got you, Zach. We're finna pick up your McDonald's right now. We're gonna give them a couple seconds, because I know they ain't got it ready. Pickup time is 53 and it's 51 right now. But we're gonna do this earned by time and see how this works for us. We got a 2.5-hour shift ahead of us. I was originally scheduled for 5 to 8, but then I was getting so many great offers on Uber Eats. Look at that. As I speak, so many great offers. This is not one of them. But it's not bad. If I was heading back in that direction, I would definitely take that offer. But I'm not. Ooh-wee, I'd be surprised if they got it ready. You see, they got a long drive-through. They running orders out. I'd be very surprised. Nope, I see nothing ready right there. Not a good sign. Took them a little minute to get this one put together. I guess they drive through so busy, you know. So it's took them a little second, but that's okay though. We got it. Finna go ahead and get it delivered. Order number 1 is dropped off. McDonald's, 4 miles away. I think it took us about 20 minutes total on that order, 25 minutes. So we got a base pay of $6.46 with a $4 tip. That makes for a great McDonald's order. We made $10.46 on that order because we did it on earned by time and because it damn near took a half an hour. I'm cool with that. I can dig it. Let's go ahead and head back on into town. Look like we heading to Taco Bell for that taco smell. Send their stomach straight to taco hell. We got 6.8 miles on this one. Damn. Taco Bell, 36-minute estimated time. Oh man, not looking too good for us tonight. It is Monday, so you know, it ain't a whole lot going on food delivery for a Monday night. But I mean, hey, we on earned by time. If I can make another 10 bucks in this 30 minutes, I'll be happy with that. So we heading up the road up here to Taco Bell. It's right up there. And it's a big possibility I'm gonna get an add-on. I'm gonna tell you this. I'm kind of happy that I'm using earned by time, because if I get an add-on from Taco Bell, or let's say if I get a stack from Taco Bell and I only get 1 base pay, I'd be highly upset. So a lot of times I don't even like getting Taco Bell orders when I'm on earned by offer. Let's see if they got, you know what? Usually they super backed up, they super slow, they never usually have them ready. So just because I got an earned by order or earned by time offer now, don't be ready this time either. And there go the infamous add-on. We got it. An additional 0.2. Let me go ahead and get a screenshot. An additional 0.2. Estimated time 28 minutes. Yes, sir. I'm gonna accept that because Taco Bell slow. Taco Bell is taco hell. Yes, I will take that. I will add it onto my route because I'm cool with it. I'm trying to make like, shoot, matter of fact, it's 6:22 right now. If both of these take me to 7:22, I'd be happy with it. See it from here. Look at all them dashers in there. Ain't no way they got these orders ready. I ain't even finna stunt. I'm gonna go in here and see. But I know all them folks sitting right there is dashers. They had 1 order ready. Now I just need that other one to be ready. Been here about 15 minutes so far. See. Nope. Not the one for Tyler. Working on that one for Emma. Excuse me. I'm waiting on a DoorDash for Emma.
Emma?
Yeah.
I'll check on it.
Never in my entire history of dashing spent as much time as I spent on these 2 Taco Bell orders, man. This is crazy. So the first order, you know, they had that one ready. It was in there sitting, ready to go. But no, not the second order. The second order was actually supposed to be done before the first order. Tell me why they had to remake the whole Taco Bell order. Look, I would normally be livid right now, but I'm actually cool. I'm actually cool because I'm gonna earn by time, okay? This is probably gonna have 2 crazy base pays on it, and I'm not tripping. No, you know what? Scratch that. It's gonna have 1 base pay. I just picked up both of these orders at the same merchant. So that means it's gonna have 1 solid base pay on it for the whole total time that I've been on both of these orders. I need to realize that right now. It's not gonna be 2 separate base pays, but that's cool though. I think I'm gonna be looking at about 30 minutes on total on both of these orders. So let's see what the payout be, and hopefully we got some tips to make up any difference. 30 minutes in on this Taco Bell double delivery. This order number 1 right here, just now. Boom, let's go ahead and get that picture. Let's go ahead and confirm that. Double delivery, so it's probably not gonna show me nothing. It's probably just gonna tell me head straight to the second customer, just like I knew. All good. We got probably a 7-minute drive over there. That's gonna put us at 7:07. I accepted that first Taco Bell order at 6:21. 6:21, y'all. Then I got the add-on right after it, a minute after, at 6:22. The time right now, man, it's what? 7:02, and we still got 10 minutes delivery time on this. Yeah, we're gonna be looking at almost a 4 hour on this right here. So that might give me close to 15 bucks on the base pay, because I know they're gonna give me 1 solid base pay for both of these trips. But I'm wondering if there's gonna be some tips on these orders, because that's gonna be the make or break. We're gonna get something close to 15 on the base pay, but how much is the tips gonna be? Let me know in the comments below what you think the tips gonna be for these 2 Taco Bell orders. Yeah, my favorite place in the whole zone, the SIUE college campus. Look at this, we at Evergreen Hall. Let's see if these folks is even here to get their order. Probably not, but it's all good though. Drop this thing off and take a picture. Oh man, they got all types of orders.
Oh my God!
Go ahead, drop that there. That Doordash picture, boom. So total time we've been on these 2 orders for 48 minutes. 48-minute total time on both of those orders. Each Taco Bell order had a $2 tip, $12.25 in base pay on both of those. That's crazy. Now we're a little bit outside of the zone, so we're finna have to make our way back. But all in all, that's not too bad. Let's see, my earnings say 22.38, 16. Okay, so it say 26.71 for the earnings so far. I think we've been on this dash since 5. So been dashing technically since 5, but I think I accepted that first order at 6:22. Was it 6:22? Let me check these screenshots, because now I don't even know. No, you know what I remember? I accepted that McDonald's order down there all the way at the edge of the zone. Let's see, that McDonald's order, yep, that one. I don't got a time for when I accepted it, but I see when I completed it was at 6:15. So I want to say 6:15 I completed it. I was on that order for 25 minutes, so that would put me at 5:50. So I started at 5:50, and the time right now is 7:11. So we've been out for an hour and 21 minutes, and we're sitting at 26 bucks. Not bad. Could definitely be worse, so that's not bad at all. Let's go ahead and hop back into this map and see if we are even within range. Nope, I gotta travel a little bit through this college campus to the other side so I can be back within the Doordash zone, so I can see if I can get one more order. 9.7 miles. Oh no, man, look, it's too late at night for that. Look, it's 7:17. I appreciate the gesture, Doordash, but I'm gonna use my 1 decline per hour, because I'm good on that, man. That's crazy. Matter of fact, since you just tried to disrespect me like that, I'm about to pause it, because I'm not about to be driving no crazy distances like that. That's ridiculous, Doordash. You're going to have to do me a little better than that. I'm not opposed to driving 10 miles away. It's just all about the time of day. I've been out working all day, and I'm not trying to be 10 miles away from my house at 8:30 at night. Then I'm going to have to get another order to bring me back this way. I need an order that's keeping me within these little parameters of my zone. That way I can do that and be done and go home. So we're gonna have to decline that one. Let's see if DoorDash got anything else for me. And that one offer, and it took me all the way down to 83%. That's crazy. 17 minutes left. I've been paused for a minute. I had to stop her real quick and grab me some Zoom Zooms and some Wham Whams about a quick trip. But let's see, man. Look, they try to send me on a really far, excursion. It's not happening. I'm trying to keep it close. It's already dark. I need to actually head in and eat dinner. Let's see if they can hit me with a reasonable amount of miles on this next offer. Let's see. Oh, that look like it's going far. Oh, it ain't. Okay. 2.7 miles on the KFC order. I can take KFC, 2.7 miles. I can do that right there. Let's go ahead and grab a screenshot. Boom. I'm happy they didn't send me something crazy because, look, I'm not trying to be going really far, DoorDash. This order probably going to take me 30 minutes. KFC, dummy slow. That one brought me back up to 84%, so we looking good. Look, this probably going, depending on, how long did it say on the estimated time? I think it said 15-minute estimated time. Maybe they know this order already ready. 18-minute estimated time. So as long as we get a couple dollars in tip, maybe like what's a quarter? What's a quarter of 15? Half of 15 is 7. So a quarter would be like 3.5. If we get like $4 in base pay, another couple dollars in tip, I'll be a happy camper, as long as it take 18 minutes. Let's head on over to KFC. Hitting me with the good on add-on special. But we got 69 seconds to accept that. That's perfect, because we heading over to KFC right now. And let's talk about it for a second. We got an additional 3.2 miles. So the mileage ain't crazy. Total, we looking at 5.5 miles total distance. And it looked like that one gonna be hooking me over to the left and picking up another customer's order, just taking it over that way. So that'll put more time on this, and that'll increase my base pay, if nothing else. And if this is going all the way over there, so KFC is right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Hold on. Let me see if I can zoom it in. Yeah, KFC is right there. So we pretty much there. Let's go ahead and accept that real quick. Boom. We got it. Let's pull up. All right, we at this BP gas station. We just dropped off the second KFC order. Both orders dropped off. Total time 29 minutes. Oh my God. Both of those orders was no tip. Bruh. Oh my God. They just tried to hide the screen hella fast too. That's crazy. Bruh. That's absolutely crazy. Nah, don't try to hide the screen on me. Bruh, that's crazy. That's crazy. Look at this. I just delivered 2 KFC orders and both of them had no tip on it, bro. That's straight crazy. Look at this. Look. Both them KFC orders had no tip on there, bro. That is crazy. That is absolutely crazy. Look at that base pay. You telling me they couldn't tip nothing? Oh my God. Oh my God, y'all. Look, I'm done now. My dash has ended. I did earn by time for what? Let me see. I did 3 offers, 2 KFC orders, 2 Taco Bell offers, and a McDonald's offers. I made $34 for, man, my dash time. Look, I made $34 for an hour and 44 minutes. That is crazy. Bro, I cannot believe both of them KFC orders didn't have a tip on it. I just knew one of them was gonna have a tip, but you telling me both of them had no tip? Both of them? That's crazy. See, I was just getting ready to start talking good about Earn by Time, saying how, it's not so bad. It's okay. How you gonna give me 2 non-tippers? 2 non-tippers? Bruh, hit that like and subscribe button for your boy, man. I'm out.